How to find contacts on Facebook Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your phone contacts on Facebook Messenger. So first, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down and find Account Center at the bottom. Tap on it. Now, tap on See More in Account Center to access your account settings. Tap on your information and permissions. Look for Upload Contacts and select it. Choose Messenger and tap Continue and then OK to allow Messenger to sync your contacts. After syncing, you will be able to see all your contacts in Messenger. You can manage them anytime by tapping the Manage Contacts. And that's it. Now you can easily find and message your contacts directly on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.